Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Zscaler, traded at NASDAQ, ticker name ZS. Well, as in ZS is actually an interesting stock because it was showing a very positive uptrend recovery after the COVID, the deepest day of 16-17 of March. And now the question is what's going on further with this recovery sequence. So is it really going to continue the recovery sequence trend one, or are we going to observe a major correction here, and if yes, to which level? So when it's nice to buy, and what shall we observe and expect? So to do that, let's do a quick analysis. Actually, here we can see that after having the dip action at 17th of March, actually then the stock started recovery sequence, and it really did very nice recovery using moving average 20 as additional support line. Actually, and by the way, here we have three moving averages depicted. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200 being green, blue, and red line correspondingly. So the recovery set trend T1 started, and then we saw that it was reconfirmed actually at the end of May, beginning of June, with a very nice spike. Here going also over bought zone on RSI, and then it continued further. And what is remarkable here is actually is not that the sequence was just going upwards with waves, but that its waves are very long, and it was actually going like just following moving average 20, sometimes just using it as additional support. And indeed, this happened on another so-called wave, but action until the beginning of July it lasted, then another one started. We had a series of smaller actions, free bounces. Then at about 10 of August we saw actually piercing of moving average 20, and then using moving average 50, the blue line, as additional support. And now what we see, the last upwards wave went first as a classical wave, then it went to the boost mode at the beginning of September, also sending the stock, RSI wise on overbought situation. And actually then we saw the break of the trend, and last 5 trading sessions, especially these last 5, 4th, and 3rd trading sessions, were really going down, and then they went down until they saw trend 1 line, which coincided to that moment with moving average 50 here. So this was used as double support, and then we see volatility. So now what happened? First, it was seemingly like expecting to have a bounce, but after having yesterday a very nice red-white candle, today we just sit stuck with the dark candle on moving average 20, and now it's the question what will happen next. So still it's possible that it might be some recovery action in general, but if you look more carefully here, this upwards wave was broken, so it was not formed completely, and it had this horn-like situation on the 5 days action, looking like a bull strap. So another thing says that we are still probably in the action, is that we really went very fast from RSI being over sold to the middles, but still it doesn't look like the action is finished. And today it was very indecisive behavior of the stock. It's a dark candle, so it might mean a further went down, or actually it might still do some step up. And also, if you look at MACD behavior here, for the top of previous of the current actually previous wave, we saw that it went a double wave up at MACD, and now it's going down and only starting to form the negative wave, MACD wave, so starting to develop upwards pressure. Here you can see like examples when the negative MACD wave was really creating the positive upwards pressure. One started at 8th of August, also coinciding with beginning of this new wave, and also other waves you can see here. So we still need to finish the wave downwards on MACD, meaning like the price still should be showing some concrete action. And also, if you look, what is important here to note, that the current price is actually just sitting not only at moving average 20, but also on the top of previous wave maximum, actually the level of previous wave maximum. So this line might work as actually resist here, the channel resist. If this happens, we might still observe some spike tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow action will decide the destiny of this one, and we will see that if price is not piercing these levels, then yeah, it will be just a correction, neglection of the upwards trend. So here we will see how it forms, how it goes, and then if action is even positive tomorrow, so if you're already in the position, you might wait, but most seemingly it won't appear higher than these levels, like resist level 1, and also there is second resist level forming the double top here, which is resist level 2. And in general, we seemingly we need some strong correction here, and also post-market after hours behavior of this stock today also shows that some correction is possible. And then it's only the question until how deep we will correct and where it's interesting to buy. If you think of this, then you can clearly see there are several levels of support can be formed here. Actually, this one and this one, you can call them level S1 and level S2 here. And of course, the deeper level, if it goes there, then it would be just this one. And also moving average 200, which is this red line. If we imagine and continue it, actually also will create additional support. So having said that, most let's say obviously the S1 line, this one will work as a volatility level, but really if the price goes down to between S1 and S2, so these levels, this would be very interesting area to buy. And then further, if it starts reaching moving average 200, then it will be a stronger area to buy. Then you can make some interesting trade here. Again, if this is not happening, if for example there is a strong catalyst coming and reversal takes place again, well, you can take it then as a good chance to trade, but we prefer really very secure entry situations because we consider trading to be an art, not a casino. I often keep saying this in different videos. So in that sense, we are waiting for the best options, and then the best option would be here is actually the first dark circle. So that's it for ZS, for Zscaler. So now you know what to do after tomorrow's action. It might be still positive, but overall correction is expected here, and then recharge and go up again. Having said that, good luck with ZS, and also please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new opportunities for US-based stocks.